Hey y'all, welcome back to Tidywittoya. This your girl Toya, and today we're going to be decluttering and reorganizing up underneath my kitchen sink. This video is also extra special because it is a collaboration with some beautiful ladies on YouTube. I will have the link to the playlist in the description below. Make sure you click on that and check out the other ladies' channels. If you are here from one of their channels, welcome. My name is Toya. I am a full-time married working mom of boy-girl twins. I create cleaning, organizing, decluttering, day in the life, mom lifestyle videos on my channel. And so if this is something that interests you, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a thing. I hope you enjoy this video today. So, of course, with any decluttering, organizing video or project, even if you're not making a video, you want to make sure that you clear out everything from the area. And this is what I'm doing here. Y'all, we had a mouse at some point that was in our house when it got really cold, and there were still a few droppings down up underneath the sink, so I didn't really show y'all what it looked like after I cleared everything out because it was a little embarrassing. But we're probably going to put out a trap or something just to make sure that it isn't still in here somewhere. I hadn't found any remnants of it besides the droppings, but we'll probably put out some traps just to make sure. The twins are actually here on this day. This is actually after work, so I still got on my work clothes, as you can see. And so I will be doing voiceovers for this video because the TV was on and it was kind of loud. So I'm just going to wipe this out and then have a plan of action of how I'm going to place everything back up underneath the sink.
Shit fly, hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb, too upset to drive it, getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride, I look too damn good to fight, don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning, but you never thought that I would leave, think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. Don't wait up, you gon' miss this body. Too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Tryna get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby.
So y'all, these little white containers, or not white, I'm sorry, like transparent containers, almost like a grayish color. I got these from Target for $5. I will also put the link to that down in the description box. These worked out really well in this area because I could stack them, and then on the ones on the top I could put things that you know, were a little bit taller than the actual container. I'm probably going to get a few more after doing this, but this project actually, those four actually got me where I needed to be for the moment. So.
That I would leave. Had about enough. don't wait up. Trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Gonna lead a drama, cause I'm too grown. Let you deal with that alone. I'ma get back when I do, don't call my phone and don't leave the lights on for me. But you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late for the sorries. That you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Wait up.
So at this moment, my son decided to put his face down into the screen. You can see it in the corner there. He's like trying to look at himself, but I had to kind of motion him to get out of the way so that the camera did not fall. But yeah, he put his face in there just to kind of look at himself. OMG.
Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind. Can't go one more day without you. No. Lately there's something that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty heart.
So while doing this organizing project, y'all, I also remembered that OMG, I need to do the area where all my Tupperware is located. And when I tell you that area is a mess, it is a mess. Like, I can't even begin to tell you how unorganized that area is. Tell me in the comments an area of your house that is just the most unorganized place out of all the places in your house. That will probably be the next area that I declutter and organize, most definitely.
Finally got made up my mind. Can't go one more day without you. Can't go one more day without you. No, can't go one more day. No, I can't. One more day without you. Can't go one more day. I can't go one more day without you. No, I can't go one more day.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you.
Hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came in way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof. Bottle your taste. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you.
So y'all, this is the finished product. I have it going slow so I can tell you everything that is in here. So the bin that I'm looking at right now has all of my multi-purpose cleaners, and then also my wood cleaner and my baking soda cream cleanser for the sink. And those are things that I tend to grab quite often. Up underneath that bin actually are my trash bags that I can pull out. Oh yeah, also in that bin I have some refills for my Jaws cleaners as well. But yeah, up underneath that bin I have my trash bags that I can just pull through the little slot in the front. And then the two bins that are stacked on the left have sponges on the bottom, and then also on the top of that it has all of my dish rags, and then the drying rags that I use to dry my dishes. I will probably label these, maybe not, we'll see. I have put on my wish list for my birthday for my husband to get me a Cricut Joy, so we'll see if that happens. And then behind there I have my container of vinegar that I don't use all the time. It's just in the back and I can just get to that whenever I need to. Over on the opposite side, closer to the dishwasher, I have my Jaws degreaser that I use quite often. Well, okay, I'll go in order. So I have my dishwasher pods on the top that I can easily grab, and then below that, my dishwasher cleaner. And then right to the left is just my brush to use to clean my bottles, and then just some little measuring spoons just in case I need to measure out any cleaning products. And then next to that, I have my Jaws degreaser, and then behind that is my Jaws disinfectant. And then in the middle, right behind the separator, is my baking soda at the bottom, and then at the top is just some Lysol disinfecting wipes. And then behind all of this stuff, I have a container that has all of the items that I use when I make my mop water. And then the other container has just extra dish soap, some more, that's actually Barkeeper's Friend cleaner, and then some a drying agent for the dishwasher. Since I have the baking soda cream cleanser, I put the Barkeeper's Friend in the back until I'm done with the baking soda cream cleanser, and then I'll bring that out. But yeah, that is how I organize up underneath my kitchen sink. I definitely hope you all enjoyed this video here today. Make sure you like this video, leave me a note in the comments and let me know how I did, and then subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a thing. Once again, this is a collaboration, so make sure you click the playlist below so that you can see all the other wonderful ladies that are a part of this collaboration. I definitely hope to see you in the next video. And remember, keep it tidy.